So over the past 8 years, Downer have had a successful partnership with Te Puni Kōkiri and providing those pathways for young Māori rangatahi into transition into sustainable employment. An opportunity came up for us to actually look at a partnership, similar program, but with a partnership for the Ministry for Pacific Peoples with exactly that, sustainable employment, but also looking at a cultural lens in terms of what does it mean to be Pacific and what does it mean to be successful in a career at Downer.
The exciting thing is they're displaying a sense of confidence in themselves, a sense of confidence about their future. And so I thought, what a fantastic program, what a fantastic partnership. And I think when you've got people like Cecilia, who have the patience and the special nature about making connection with those young people, that's the recipe right there.
What I've learned is pretty much move further and become an STMS.
The biggest lesson is to never give up, never stop dreaming. It doesn't matter who you are, where you're from. Everyone deserves a chance, everyone deserves an opportunity in who they are and to what they bring to the table.
Everybody around them are genuinely there to support them, to ensure that they succeed. And when they succeed, their families also share in that success, and their community will also celebrate that success.